Looking for some sweet carbon fiber for your FRS BRZ GT86? These are the Rexpeed carbon fiber fender garnishes. What's up, guys? Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Rexpeed carbon fiber fender garnish kit specific for the FRS GT86, BRZ, whatever you want to call it. But these beautiful little pieces are going to be a direct replacement for your factory fender vents, fender garnish, whatever you want to call them. It doesn't really matter, but these beautiful carbon fiber pieces are going to replace your factory pieces, and they are made out of course, carbon fiber with a fiberglass backing on them. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but really, truly a beautiful carbon weave throughout. Of course, they do have a clear coat on them to help protect the carbon fiber from UV radiation damage, that kind of stuff. But really, truly stunning piece to look at. And of course, you know, none of even the factory ones isn't functional, and so they don't have any holes here or anything like that. It's purely an aesthetics piece. But if you're going for like a carbon fiber theme on the outside of your car, you've got a carbon fiber lip, maybe carbon fiber trunk, hood, whatever, you know, some extra carbon fiber down the side of your car is going to be exactly what your car wants and what it needs. Now, this does include some 3M double-sided sticky tape for installation. Installation on these, getting the factory ones out isn't too bad. It's a little bit tricky trying to get your hands in there, but overall it's not too bad. And then of course, installation of these will just involve some 3M double-sided sticky tape. Make sure you clean the area really well before you apply that on. But other than that, it should go on very quick and very easily, and just adds a nice, you know, subtle carbon fiber piece to the outside of your car to make it stand out a little bit more. And I actually think these are very well made. They're very robust. It's nice and thick, and of course the carbon fiber weave is just absolutely gorgeous throughout and on both pieces. And one thing I like about Rexpeed is just the carbon fiber weave is the exact same on every single one of their products. And I don't know how they're able to get the carbon fiber to lay so evenly even throughout the tight little bends on there, but they do. And so good for them. And good for us, I suppose, as well. But really a cool piece if you're looking for, you know, some carbon fiber exterior pieces. Rexpeed definitely has some amazing pieces for your car. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. See you guys next time.